Snow is dancing over Chelsea tonight. Cafes glowing soft and warm, and the three of us walking side by side, trying to keep our hearts from the storm. But the streets feel sweeter every year, with laughter rolling like jazz in the air. Oh, the season lights are shining, and the world feels safe and small. Guess we never saw it coming, friendship turning into home for all. And the three of us, we found a way to make a family today, in the frost and holiday glow.